let me add my congratulations to all of you on this career milestone. Enjoy this day. You have toiled hard to get here. For many, many years, our public school teachers have faced many barriers to career growth. Our old system did not have the positions and clear pathways for advancement. Kaya't sinabi ko na, kailangan ipatupad ang Expanded Career Progression or ECP system para sa ating mga guro sa mga pampublikong paaralan. Mula noong August 2025 hanggang ngayong Abril, almost more than 65,000 teachers at school head ang ating na-promote na. Kasama na dito ang 2,121 na teacher at principal dito sa Eastern Visayas na kasama ngayong araw na nag-oath taking. Kaya uulitin ko po, wala nang teacher ang magre-retire ng Teacher 1. We likewise released the full 10,000 pesos teaching supply allowance for school year 2025 to 2026. This is to provide additional support for the purchase of teaching supplies and materials. Nais ko lang din banggitin ang programa Sa Pinas, Ikaw ang Ma'am at Sir o SPIMS program ng Department of Migrant Workers at DepEd. Nakilala po natin yung dalawang umuwi under the new SPIMS program. Layunin ng SPIMS ang tulungan ng mga Filipino OFW na makapasa sa licensure examination for teachers nang sila ay makapagtrabaho sa ating mga pampublikong paaralan. All of these changes we are making will strengthen our education system in the long run. Once again, let me congratulate our newly promoted teachers and school heads. Always remember, as we always remember, that our future rests on the young minds that are in your hands and in your care, and that you will help nurture today so that we have a brighter tomorrow. Naway ang araw na ito ay maging inspirasyon ninyong lahat upang ipagpatuloy ang inyong mahalagang tungkulin sa bagong Pilipinas.